Hello friends, welcome to our YouTube channel friends. In this video I am gonna tell you about how to fix a talkback feature problem in your Realme smartphone very easily. And let's go and let's start the video. Friends, you can see here when you just tap any app icon or any of this thing, you will see a green box like thing and you can't be able to move it. So like this will happen to you. So how you can fix it? So first you have to open your settings. You have to just swipe up or swipe down by two fingers, not by one finger. You have to select the app by one time and double tap to open it. So I am doing this. So just swipe, go to setting, double tap, click on search, double tap,
editing, search,
talkback, double tap, talkback, double tap. Then you have to just turn it off.
turn off, turn, talkback.
And friends, you can see how simply I have turned off this talkback feature in your Realme smartphone. I hope you like this video. If you like this video, then subscribe to our YouTube channel for more helpful tips and tricks videos. See you next time.